Hello guys, there we have an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I will show you how you can make your phone louder. So there is two ways for it, by the settings and by the application. So we start from the settings. In the settings just go to the sound and vibration and click on the DTS sound. Now enable equalizer and choose the most louder equalizer of them. But if that way is not enough for you, you can always try to download some volume speaker booster app like this one. Click no thank you 3 times and close that window. Now click OK. And how you can see, now we can increase and decrease the volume volume booster by this little slider. How you can see, boost is on. You can always stop the service by this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.